classic French macaron with vanilla buttercream filling. Prep time 1 hour. Cook time 15 minutes. Yield 12 to 16 macarons. Description: every bite of this sweet, classic French macaron with vanilla buttercream filling is melt in your mouth goodness. Ingredients: macaron shells, 3/4 cup almond flour, 1 cup confectioner's sugar, 2 large egg whites at room temperature, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, vanilla buttercream filling, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon milk, 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions: macaron shells. Combine almond flour and confectioner's sugar in a bowl and whisk together. Pass mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on clumps. In a large bowl, beat the egg whites using a hand mixer or stand mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes until soft peaks form. Add the granulated sugar and beat on high for 2 more minutes until stiff, glossy peaks form. Add vanilla and beat on high for another 30 seconds. Gently fold in dry ingredients and repeat until mixture is smooth and shiny, with no visible dry ingredients and begins to run a little but not too runny. Think lava consistency. Do not overfold. Take a pastry bag fitted with a 1/2 inch round tip and fill with the batter. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and pipe batter into 3/4 inch round circles, 1 inch apart. Tap the baking sheet firmly against the counter to release any air bubbles. Let stand at room temperature for 30 minutes until they form a skin. Preheat oven to 325 F. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, rotating halfway, until cookies have risen and just set. The cookies should be able to just come off the baking sheet when you try to lift them. Let cool for 5 minutes, then transfer to wire rack and let cool completely. Vanilla buttercream filling. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, cream butter until soft and smooth. Add powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla and mix until light and fluffy. Make the macarons. Transfer the buttercream filling into a piping bag with a round tip. Pipe a swirl of filling on half the cookies. Sandwich cookies together with the remaining halves. Notes: do not overfold. The batter will be too runny and the macaroon shells will not hold their shape. They'll spread out and become flat and feetless. Do not underfold. The macaroon shells will also lose shape. They will rise and crack when baked. Storage: you can store the macarons in an airtight container in room temperature for up to a week.